This is manufacturing, subtractive manufacturing with CNC machining. Subtractive manufacturing using CNC machining is an important component of advanced manufacturing. This essential process is the foundation of much of modern manufacturing and is widely known for its efficiency and precision. But what exactly is it, and how does it work? Subtractive manufacturing is a process where a material is removed from a larger solid block, known as the workpiece, to shape it into the desired product. Subtractive manufacturing carves out the final piece by taking material away. Manufacturers can use a CNC machine, which uses mechanical cutting tools like drills and mills, to carve out the workpiece. What is subtractive manufacturing used for? This method is used in industries ranging from aerospace and automotive to prototyping and custom manufacturing. Products like intricate gears, engine parts, and precision molds are all made using subtractive techniques. The benefits of using a CNC machine include accuracy, continuous production, increased efficiency, improved safety, lower cost, and the ability to produce complex shapes and structures. What materials can be used in subtractive manufacturing? CNC machines can manage a wide variety of materials, including steel, titanium, brass, copper, plastic, aluminum, acrylic, plexiglass, and wood. This versatility is key to creating products for various applications. Operating a CNC machine is a simple process. 1. Create or download a 3D model using computer-aided design software. 2. Convert the design into machine-readable instructions through computer-aided manufacturing software. 3. Secure the material in the machine. 4. The CNC machine follows the programmed paths using cutting tools to remove material. And 5. Inspect and refine the part for quality assurance. The outlook for CNC machining is extremely positive, with more than 44,000 openings for machinists each year over the next decade. That is where you come in. Manufacturers need CNC machine technicians today. If you are ready to explore a career in CNC machining, complete and submit the Manufacturing Careers Interest Form located on this webpage.